As of iOS 13, the ability to listen to YouTube in your Safari browser and minimizing the browser while still listening to music was removed. And I'll show you what I mean here. So if I play a song before, what you could have done is you could have minimized it while it was playing. But now if you do that and then you click play, it will just go back to this type of screen here. So I'm going to show you the way I listen to YouTube music without actually opening or using YouTube at all. So for iPhone users, go ahead and go to the App Store and download this application here called Muse. And as you can see, it has 1.7 million downloads right now, and it's a free application as of today. So once you download the Muse application, the way I use it is first I go to YouTube, and let's say I search for a specific playlist that I want to listen to. So what you could do is you could go and find that playlist and then click on the three dots that you see there, then click share and then select copy link. So with that, you open Music, and Music allows you to even search for specific music here. So let's say we put in J. Cole. So it will fetch YouTube and it will play the music, and I don't think it plays the ads. So you could do it like that, or with the playlist format, what you do is you go to playlist, don't click here, click on the plus sign, and then you click on add playlist from YouTube. So that identifier or that link that I copied earlier from that playlist, you hold and press the screen until you get paste. You paste the identifier playlist and then you click next, and that's gonna fetch basically the entire playlist. Now you can't click on the song. Oops, click on the ad. You can't click on the song to play it, but you could click on shuffle play and it will start playing the song. Or if you like the entire playlist, you could just click on add all to add the playlist. Or you could choose individually which music you want to add, and then you could create your own playlist and you give it a name. And then basically you add that track to that playlist. And you keep doing that like that. But for me, since I have CarPlay in my car, I click on shuffle play, and then if you press on the next track button on your CarPlay screen, it will play the next song. Alright, so that's basically how you could listen to YouTube music using Muse at no cost. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave your comment below and please subscribe.